Hey guys, got another package in the mail today. Pre-ordered it, and it finally came in. Well, gonna get it centered. ScaleTrains. It's supposed to be the Gunderson rivet counter. So let's see what we got in the box. And more candy. Of course, the receipt. And there she is. I'm sure you stuck anything else in there. Nope, that's it. So let's get her out and look at it. As you can see, it's the rivet counter. So we've got the instructions and information. Pretty detailed exploded diagram and parts list. And then there's the part numbers on the back. Looks like we got some extra bearing caps. Oh, that's taped. Alright, we got a placard. It actually sticks out. We got train line hose, ScaleTrains knuckle coupler, got etched metal walkways, we got another hazard placard inside the end of the car. All the text is legible. We got airlines, brake chain, couple of cut levers, very fine detail on the ladders and grab handles. You get the brake rods and levers. Another placard sitting in there. We got safety stripes. There's the roof hatches. Nice crisp bends on the foot plates. Good detail on the bottom of the car. Got a train line hose runs down the side of it. Let's get the scale out and see how much she weighs. Get some room here. Sorry. $126 grams. And the bearing caps do rotate. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. You got markings on the trucks. All in all, looks like a really nice car. Compared to the latest Athearn that I bought, it's a little better quality. Let me go get one of the Athearns and we can compare the two. Come on. Alright, first the Athearn. This one's got etched metal walkways. This is supposed to be ready to run. It's got all the brake line detail. The more expensive ready to run. You got brake detail, brake lines inside there. I would say the main difference between the two is the ScaleTrains has got the rotating bearing caps. And the coupler cut levers. And the train line, where the Athearn does not. And now the ScaleTrains. They're a very, very similar car. ScaleTrains has got a smaller top end plate right here, where the Athearn's got a little bit bigger one. ScaleTrains using plastic there, where the Athearn's got using their etched metal, and just fold it over for the supports or the gussets. The Athearn weigh Athearn weighs 139 grams, so it's a little heavier than the ScaleTrains. But they're still within, you know, decent range of each other. Alright, let's check the coupler height real quick. First, the ScaleTrains. Coupler height looks really good. Let's flip around, we'll check the other end. Both ends of it are right on. And we'll put the Athearn on here. It's a little bit higher, not much. Didn't want to cup, and that one's right at it. So one end's slightly higher than the other on the coupler on the Athearn, but that's, you know, neither here nor there. It can be adjusted. It probably won't even make that much of a difference. No higher than it was. I'm probably gonna swap all these out for KD couplers anyways. But on all the ScaleTrains, a very nice, beautiful looking car, and we'll get with you guys later.